All right. What I have here is a pair of Pentair unions. And they're for a SuperFlo, not a SuperFlo, but a Pentair variable speed pump. Okay, they're brand new. And I want to show that I have a variable speed pump here that I'm going to be selling. And as part of that, I'm going to put brand new unions on it, or brand new connectors. So that all the person that buys this has to do is just bring it home and plumb it in. Nothing else involved with it, okay? They're brand new. So that's two brand new plumbing fittings that go along with this pump. Now, everything works on this pump. There's no problems with it at all. Everything lights up. It runs flawlessly. It is whisper quiet, okay? Just to let you know, these are going in there with it. They belong with the pump. There's two of them. I've already drained the water out of it. Okay, already drained the water out of it. And the cover, the basket goes in and the cover goes on. Okay, that's all ready to go now. So that's the pump. The only thing that happened to it is the screws no longer hold the top on, and that's where your electrical connectors are. These screws broke. You'll have to drill them out and put new screws in. But that's for the next person and not me. But perfect running pump. About $1,700 if you went and bought this brand new. But this has never given me one single problem. There's the part number for it, so you can see that. It connects to automation if you happen to have any. There's more information on it down here, just so you can see it. And that's it. Check it out.